Good day, everyone. My name is John Christopher Marpil from the IT31, and this is my system for midterm exam. This is application is student registration stud system built using Python, Tkinter, library for the graphical user interface, GUI, and MySQL for storing data. Here's how it's work. Purpose, it's collect student data through a multiple step form with section for personal details, account details, parent information, sponsor information, and additional information. And this is the layout. The form is divided into separate frame or section that the user navigate through using next and back buttons. At the end of the process, the data is submitted and stored in my SQL database. This is the five frames: personal details, account details, parent details, in sponsor information, and additional information. Each section is contained field such as personal personal details gaya ng first name, surname, and date of birth, and etc. Tapos, account details like student ID, student class, and address. Parent details like mother's name, father's name, and trabaho. And doon sa sponsor info. And dito naman po sa sa mga input field na nakikita nyo, tatry po natin mag-input ng sa mga personal details po. Testing po natin yung pangalan ko na Marpil. Then surname po is other name. Okay. Tas then next natin, doon naman po sa account details. Yan is dito naman po sa sponsor information is individual Marpil. Additional information. um, Yan. Then previous school is Akobo na lang. Akobo. Then submit and and success. Tapos tignan naman po natin siya dun sa may SQL kung pumasok po siya. Ayan. Dito po siya nag-ano, yung mga in-input po natin kanina, kagaya ng first name, surname, and other name. Tapos nandito na po lahat. Pumasok sa database po.
Sasabihin, sasabihin, gumamit po kami ng ito yung ginamit po ko sa Python para gumana yan.
Ayan. Dito po, gumamit kami ng may SQL connector to connect the local host and database student registration. Tapos,
May table type, table.
may table name is in student details. And ito po yung mga table na doon po papasok yung mga ini-input na ano, sur surname, other name, and date of birth. Tapos, gender, student ID, student class, and address administration. Then, magpo-proceed po tayo sa combo box. Ito po yung ginamit kong code for combo box. Gumamit po ako ng values. Then, ito po yung mga laman niya. Male, female, and others po. Or gender. Opo. Then, magpo-proceed naman po tayo kung sa paano po nagpa-function yung mga button dito po sa ano, yung kagaya na lang po dun sa back. Ayan. Then, insert lang tayo dyan. Kagaya po nung nasa unahan. Ayan, kagaya po nung back. Next. And dito po sa back. Ayan po. Tapos, then, pag kinlear nyo naman po siya, ayan, nadidelete po lahat. Tapos, dun sa next, ayan, nagpo-proceed po siya dun sa kabilang frame. Tapos, dun sa exit naman po, Ayan, nawawala na po siya. Dito naman po sa the conclusion is the system effectively collect and stores student data, and the GUI provides a user-friendly interface for the data entry and the navigation. Yun. Ayun lang po, and thank you. Have a nice day.